Hello trader, I'm going to do a complete multi-time frame analysis on gold. Let's see what kind of trading opportunity currently we have in this instrument. Now from the lower time frame perspective, we can see that gold currently showing significant trading opportunity. Now before we discuss how we can trade, first let's look at bigger picture, looking at the monthly time frame to see overall picture in the market. Now, from the monthly, gold is currently showing significant bullish price action. This is the monthly support. We have seen that after previous monthly bearish candle this month, so far gold has created a higher low and then had a strong bounce to the upside. Now, with that bounce, gold just has broken the monthly high and reached another important liquidity zone. And from that zone, we have seen that gold has a rejection to the downside. Currently, the price after reaching this monthly support, there has been a bounce. Now, with that bounce, we can expect gold to move up again for short-term perspective. Now, let's look at the weekly time frame to see how gold is doing. Now from the weekly we can see that previous week gold has formed a pin bar. This is the weekly pin bar in that zone that has reached this resistance line where we saw that gold triggered liquidity and then formed this long doji. Now this week as expected we saw that initially drop to the weekly support level, and we saw again the bulls trying to break this high. What I think that longer term perspective from the weekly, I think that gold highly likely we could see a retest of this weekly 20 EMA on also retest of this previous resistance which is turning support here, and highly likely we could see at some point break of this weekly low testing this level, and then we can expect bullish move later this week. So this is the weekly view. So let's look at the daily, how the price is doing. Now from the daily we saw that gold has yesterday come down to this daily support which is quite significant. This is the daily support level. After gathering liquidity from this daily support, gold had a bounce. Now this is the daily bounce from this support level. As it has bounced from this daily weakness candle which is a very high liquidity zone, we could see that gold at least will break the previous daily high, and I think that gold might break this daily high and then could get rejected later today, and we could see a daily close somewhere here as a doji or as a half week half body candle. So from the lower time frame we can expect is still some kind of bullish move here on the lower time frame to break this daily high. So let's look at intraday perspective. Now this candle you can see on the lower time frame, this is the 4 hour time frame, and with this with the opening with a gap early today after breaking this low, we saw there is a strong bullish engulfer followed by a doji. Now this candle currently we can see still 45 minutes remaining to close. I think that gold as it has broken this doji's low, there is a liquidity here, and from this zone we could see that gold again primarily turning to a bull market to try to break this high or even try to break a little to the upside to gather liquidity before dropping or changing its trend to the upside. So let's see 1 hour chart to see how the price action is forming. Now in this time frame we can see that gold is repeating the past. We see that the same kind of pattern here. The price has formed this price action, has broken to the upside, gather liquidity, has come back down, created this long weak candle, and started to trend to the upside. What do we see that the same kind of pattern is being repeated? There is a drop, and the price has gone up, gather liquidity, and has come back down, created a long weak candle and trying to trend to the upside. With that said, what we could see potentially on the lower time frame, a bullish move on gold. What I think that with this movement we could see that gold is breaking to the upside. This is the previous daily high, and we could see that the gold has broken the daily high, and later based on price action we could see either rejection or continuation to the upside. So this is the lower time frame price action. Here we see that potentially bullish on gold. This is where we are waiting for a potential entry opportunity on the lower time frame, such as on 5 minutes or 15 minutes time frame. As soon as you will see gold has given a potential trading opportunity, we will consider going long with a high probability trade setup with our students. Now, if you find value in this analysis, then smash the like button and also leave a comment below. Let us know which way you are trading gold. Thank you. I'll see you soon in my next analysis.